Meanwhile, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness is urging Jamaicans to remain vigilant as the government moves to distribute billions of dollars in housing assistance under the Restoration of Owner or Occupant Family Shelters (R.O.O.F.S program. The warning comes amid concerns that scammers may attempt to exploit vulnerable families affected by recent hurricane damage. Danita Rodney tells us more.
At the program's launch, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness highlighted the rise of artificial intelligence scams and cautioned beneficiaries of the Restoration of Owner or Occupant Family Shelters (R.O.O.F.S initiative to be alert to individuals attempting to exploit the program.
So in a program like this, where I have seen an artificially generated image of the Minister of Labour and Social Security and of other influential persons, including myself, doing things that I cannot do, which is dance. We have to be absolutely careful that there is no hijacking of a program like this that could have persons being caught paying for receiving the grant, for example, because there are such scams out there where an unsuspecting person may be caught up in a scheme.
The Prime Minister emphasized that there is no cost to the program and that any social media claims suggesting otherwise should be ignored.
There is no intermediary. I want to make that point clear. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security is not hiring anyone, any agent, any intermediary to help you to get the grant. So if anyone comes to you, or you may see something on any of the social media suggesting this, please dismiss it.
He says the new program is aimed at empowering citizens with the information they need to access support safely and directly.
So we are having the launch today to focus the nation's attention on the program and to give the necessary information so that you as the citizen can be empowered with the information and act accordingly in your interest. That's the purpose of a launch.
Under the R.O.O.F.S program, eligible households will receive grants of $75,000, $200,000, or $500,000 based on the level of damage to their homes. Disbursements are expected to begin at the end of January. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Danita Rodney.